Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter roll-ups, which is one of my favorite snacks or quick lunches to eat. First, you need paper towels, a knife, butter knife so you don't cut yourself, peanut butter, I prefer Skippy cream, the creamy, not the chunky, and fajita style Tostitos. I have already opened the bag and removed one of them. So you don't dirty, put the tortilla on paper towel so you don't dirty the counter or whatever it is you're going to use. Open the peanut butter. Get the peanut butter out like so. This is the very last of the peanut butter in the jar, so it's going to be hard to get out. And we'll spread it. I prefer half. And let's just draw the line like that. And then spread it out like you're painting it. Yes, if you have too much, you can scrape it. Put some where you don't have any. And then I just hold it and fold it over. I press it down so that way the peanut butter sticks to both of the sides and it's not flopping around when you pick it up and eat it. And I'll take the same knife that I used the peanut butter, and you want to dirty another knife, and I just cut in half like so. And there you go, that's a peanut butter quesadilla or roll up, whatever you want to call it. Hope you enjoyed.